Reported speech means telling someone what another person said, but not using their exact words. When we change direct speech to reported speech, present tenses always move one step back to past tenses. This is called backshift. Every present tense becomes a past tense. Present simple changes to past simple. Someone says, "I like coffee." In reported speech, it becomes she said she liked coffee. Notice like changes to liked. The verb moves back one tense. This is the basic rule for all present tenses. Present continuous also backshifts. I am reading a book becomes he said he was reading a book. Am reading changes to was reading. The present continuous always becomes past continuous in reported speech. Present perfect becomes past perfect. I have finished my work changes to she said she had finished her work. Have finished becomes had finished. This follows the same backshift pattern as other present tenses. Simple past usually becomes past perfect. I saw the movie yesterday becomes he said he had seen the movie. Saw changes to had seen. This shows the action happened before the reporting. Past perfect never changes. I had already eaten stays exactly the same. He said he had already eaten. Past perfect is already in the past perfect form, so no backshift needed. Future with will becomes would. I will call you tomorrow changes to she said she would call me tomorrow. Will always changes to would in reported speech. This is the future tense backshift. Here are the main backshift rules. Present simple becomes past simple. Present perfect becomes past perfect. All present tenses move back one step. Remember these two core patterns. Always backshift present tenses to past tenses. Past perfect stays the same. Will changes to would. Always use said or told plus that. These 4 rules cover most reported speech.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.